video that will explain all details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. See on the screen property location, landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. About the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen photo ID and check. The property accepts usual credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Five categories of rooms are available on the and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and offers are available for this property along with various and policies. You are trying to provided in the description. Watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Stay happy.